Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Hololive Dreams game not loading or stuck on loading screen problem or stuck on infinite loading screen problem, black screen issue or stuck on black screen problem on PC. So without wasting time, here follow the fixes. First fix, restart Steam or restart your PC. So click on this word Steam and then click on exit. This will exit the Steam, then relaunch Steam and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then just restart your PC, and once your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 2 is to run the game from game installation folder, run the game as an administrator, try running the game in compatibility mode. So open Steam, go to library, right click on the game, select manage and then click on browse local files. It will open the game installation folder and here you will see the Hololive Dreams exe file. First double click it and then try to launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then right click on it and then select properties. Then go to the compatibility tab and check mark run this program as an administrator, hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game from here and check. If that doesn't work, then also check mark run this program in compatibility mode for. From the drop down select Windows 8, hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game from here and check. If that also doesn't work, then from the drop down select Windows 7, hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game from here and check. If still not working, also check mark disable full screen optimization option, hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game from here and check. Now if it's still not working, then untick all these 3 boxes. Just uncheck all of them, hit on apply, OK, and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 3 is to modify the game launch options. You can try -DX11, -DX12 or -D3D11. So open Steam, go to library, right click on the game, select properties. In the launch options type -DX11, close the tab, launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then again go to the game properties. This time type -DX12, close the tab, launch the game and check. If it's still not working, again go to the game properties. This time type -D3D11, close the tab, launch the game and check. If it's still not working, again go to the game properties, remove the launch options and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix for Windows security users, allow the game exe file to control folder access and firewall. So in Windows search type Windows security and open the Windows security. Click on virus and threat protection. Scroll down, click on manage ransomware protection. Click on allow an app through control folder access. Click yes to allow. Click on add an allowed app, browse all apps and then browse to the game installation folder. So go to C drive, open program files x86 folder, Steam folder, Steam apps folder, common folder. Open the Hololive Dreams game folder. Select Hololive Dreams exe file, click open. Now go back, click on firewall and network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings, click on allow another app, click on browse and then again browse to the game installation folder. So open C drive, open program files x86 folder, Steam folder, Steam apps folder, common folder. Open the Hololive Dreams game folder, select this exe file and then click on open and then click on add. In my case it is already added. Here it is. And after adding it, make sure both private and public is ticked mark and then click on OK to save the changes. And then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Now, if you're using any third-party antivirus software such as Komodo, Avast, Kaspersky, AVG, McAfee, Norton, Bitdefender, ESCT, WebRoot, then you have to allow the game exe file to your antivirus program as well. And then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Or you can simply turn off your antivirus program and then check. Later, you can turn on your antivirus program after playing the game. Fix 5 is to install Visual C++ files. So go to this Microsoft website, link is provided in my video description. And once you're on this Microsoft website, scroll down and download both x64 version and x86 version. Download both the version. First click on x64 version. Now if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install. So either repair it or install it. Next click on x86 version. Again, if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install. So either repair it or install it, and then just restart your PC. Don't forget to restart your PC. And after the PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 6 is to update your graphic card driver. NVIDIA users can update their graphic card driver via NVIDIA app. AMD users can update their graphic card driver via AMD Adrenal software. So NVIDIA users in Windows search type NVIDIA app and open the NVIDIA app. Then click on driver sections and then click on check for updates. And if there are any updates available, you will see the download button. So click on download and install it. And after updating your graphic card driver, just restart your PC. And once your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check. Similarly, AMD users open the AMD Adrenal software and look for the graphic card driver update, and if you find any updates available, then download and install them. And after updating the graphic card driver, just restart your PC and then launch the game and check. Fix 7. Run the game on dedicated graphic card driver. So in Windows search, type graphic settings and open the graphic settings. Click on add desktop app and then browse to the game installation folder. So open C drive, open program files x86 folder, Steam apps folder, common folder, open the hololive dreams game folder, select this exe file and then click on add. After adding it, look for it in the list over here. Here it is. Expand it and next to GPU preference, select high performance and also make sure optimizations for windowed game is turned on. If it is turned off, then turn it on and then you can go ahead and launch the game and check. Fix 8 is to select high performance in NVIDIA Control Panel app. So in Windows search, type NVIDIA Control Panel and open the NVIDIA Control Panel app. Go to manage 3D settings, go to program settings, click on add and here in the list look for the hololive dreams game. Here it is. Select it and then click on add selected programs. Now if you don't see hololive dreams app over here, then click on browse and then browse to the game installation folder. So open C drive, open program files x86 folder, open Steam folder, open Steam apps folder, common folder, open the hololive dreams game folder, select this exe file and then click on open. Now after adding it from the drop down over here, select high performance NVIDIA processor and then hit on apply. Don't forget to hit on apply button to save the changes and then you can go ahead and launch the game and check. Fix 9 is to verify the game files. So open Steam, go to library, right click on the game, select properties, go to the install files tab and then click on verify integrity of game files. And after the 100% verification of the file has been done, then you can go ahead and launch the game and check. Now one more solution you can follow over here. You can delete the resources in hololive dreams game. So you have to launch the game first of all. So launch the game and once you're on this menu screen, then click on this menu and then click on delete resources. Now please take a note over here, delete all resources. Deleting resources will not delete the save data, but it will delete the resources. So you can perform this action very carefully and you can only perform this action if you're able to launch the game and get to the menu screen. If you do not able to launch the game, then you can skip this fix and then finally click on OK and wait for process to get complete. And once it is completed, then you can go ahead, play the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 10 is to delete hololive dreams saved game folder. Now please take a note over here, you will lose all the saved game progress and all saved settings. So if you want, then you can keep the backup of this folder to desktop first. So here how to do it. Open File Explorer, open C drive, open users folder, open your username folder, open app data folder. Now if you don't see app data folder over here, then click on this view, so and check mark hidden items. Then open the app data folder, open the local low folder and here look for the Quali Arts inclusive folder, open it and here you will see hololive dreams saved game folder. What you have to do, first right click on it and then copy it and then go to desktop and paste it to keep the backup of this folder. After keeping the backup of this folder, right click on it and then select delete to delete it and then you can go ahead and launch the game and check. Fix 11 is to turn off or turn on hardware accelerated GPU scheduling. So in Windows search, type graphic settings and open the graphic settings. Expand the advanced graphic settings and here you will see hardware accelerated GPU scheduling. If it is turned on, then turn it off and then you have to restart the PC because you will need to restart your PC for this change to take effect. So just restart your PC and once your PC restart, you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Now if it is already turned off, then turn it on and then again restart your PC and then launch the game and check. Fix 12 is to set power saver in power options, try different power plan and check. So in Windows search, type control panel and open the control panel. Click on hardware and sound, click on power option. Now in my PC it is showing only balanced, but in your case, in your PC, if it shows balanced, power saver and high performance, then first select power saver and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then you can also select high performance and then launch the game and check. If that also doesn't work, then you have to switch between these three options and check which one works for you. Fix 13 is to lower down graphic settings if able to launch the game, or else you can skip this fix. So launch the game, and once you're on this menu screen, click on this menu, click on quality settings. Now if the quality is set to highest or high, then you can select normal, basic. You can also change the window settings. If it is, you can set borderless and check. You can also select windows, or you can also set full screen and then check. So basically you have to change the quality from highest or high to normal or basic and then check. Or you can also turn off VSync and then check. Fix 14 is to disable overlays. Disable game overlay in Steam. So open Steam, go to library, right click on the game, click on properties. In the general tab you will see the option enable the Steam overlay while in game. Just toggle it off and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then enable it and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Disable Discord overlay. If you have installed Discord on your PC, then simply disable Discord overlay. Disable NVIDIA overlay. Open NVIDIA GeForce Experience settings, general, turn off in-game overlay. Similarly, disable overlay in all apps or close all other overlay apps such as GeForce Experience, NVIDIA Shadowplay overlay, AMD overlay, etc. And then go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 15 is to close conflicting or unnecessary programs. So if you have any kind of overclocking software, then do not overclock it. Just set it to default. Disconnect external USB drive, mouse, disconnect additional joystick controllers, multiple monitors connected to PC. Unplug the Logitech Thrustmaster racing wheel and the task for Afterburner, RiverTuner, HWinfo, Razer Synapse or MSI Dragon Center from Task Manager. Close all of your tabs to free up RAM and then relaunch the game and check. Fix 16 is to update Windows. So go to Windows settings. On the left, click on Windows Update and then click on check for updates. And if there are any updates available, then download and install them. And then just restart your PC. And once your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 7 is to uninstall and reinstall the game. So if none of the solution work for you, then the last solution is to uninstall hololive Dreams game from your PC, restart your PC and then reinstall the game to C drive, SSD drive. If already installed in C drive, then try installing it to another SSD drive and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. So by following these fixes, I hope you can easily fix hololive Dreams game not loading or stuck on loading screen problem, or black screen issue or stuck on black screen problem on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.